Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gentlemen, in today's world, many things are in large quantity and they are usable in small quantities, and many are in small but to be amplified for use. For example, we are having rivers, lakes, and ocean. Can we use them? Yes, but by applying some method of downstepping, then from large to small. So we use tanks, pipelines, and taps to take water in glass, washing our hands, and for showers. Same applied on our use of electricity. Our power station produces thousands of volts, but we need 220 or 220 or 110 for our household usage. For this purpose, we employ transformer. Gentlemen, in the series of part 66 learning, today we would study about transformer. Transformer are electrical appliances which can step up or step down the voltages. How to do this would study today. Sequence of our topic is what is a transformer, parts of a transformer, working principle of transformer, types of transformer, utilities of a transformer, and at last conclusion. Transformer. Transformer is a device used to step up or step down the AC voltages. For using transformer, we use our voltages, our AC voltages to step up and step down. Firstly, we will discuss the major parts of transformer. First is core, second bobbin, and at last copper. Main subparts, which is a primary coil, core, and a secondary coil. Primary coil, it is the input source of a transformer. Core, it provides magnetic path. The magnetic field that which produces by applying voltages in a primary coil, the core provides magnetic path. Secondary coil, it is the output source. Magnetic path provides the magnetic and secondary coil, and a secondary coil gives us output. Now coming on to this, that how above mentioned major parts of a transformer works. Basically, our transformer is based on mutual induction. What is mutual induction? Any change of a magnetic field in one coil causes an EMF to be induced in second coil placed in vicinity. It is in the on position and it's in the off position. When it is in on position, electromagnetic produced and it catches the iron pieces, and now it's off position and it loses the electromagnetic field and iron pieces drops. For having good grip on mutual induction, we need to study Faraday's law of mutual induction. If we are having a coil and we move a permanent magnet in or out rapidly, which is being displayed on voltmeter. Working principle: primary winding, when input voltage given on a primary winding, it catches the iron pieces, and when remove the voltages, it removes the iron pieces. When voltage induced in secondary coil, it indicates the voltages on meter, and when it removes the permanent magnet, it comes on 0. Now we will move types of a transformer. Primary winding and secondary winding we will discuss. When primary winding and secondary winding are equal, it's our primary winding and it's our secondary winding. When it is equal, it's suppose winding are turned for 220 volts, and this is also for 220 volts, because it's a equal turns in primary and equal turns in secondary. Input voltage 220 volts, and we will get output also 220 volts. We can see a step up a transformer, because there is number of few turns in our primary and a number of turns in a secondary. It increases the voltages. It's a step up in our primary, in a secondary. In 12 volts we will give 12 volts, and at the output we will get 220 volts. Now we will move the step down transformer. Our primary is lot of turns and secondary coil is a few turns. It decreases the voltages. Transformer with step down turn will decreases the voltages. It's a lot of turns and it's a few turns. 220 volts come, and output, at the output 12 volts we get. Transformer: by appropriate ratio of a number of turns in primary or secondary coil, we can make it step up or step down. In this example, we are having a complete structure of our household electricity transmission. In this, transformer plays a vital role by either step up or step down the voltages for our usage. In power plant, we will get 12,000 volts, then step up transformer 2,40,000 volts, high voltages, and then step down transformer substation 8,000 volts, stepping down further 240 volts, which is used for our household. Formula of a transformer: primary voltage over secondary voltage is equal to secondary current over primary current is equal to primary number of turns of primary over number of turns in the secondary. We will take example. Primary voltages 110 volt, secondary voltage 220 volt, primary current 10 ampere, secondary current we will find. Now we will going towards our solution. Primary voltages over secondary voltages is equal to secondary current over primary current. It's our formula. Secondary current is equal to primary current into primary voltages over secondary voltage. Putting the value in formula, secondary current is equal to 10 into 110 over 220. Secondary current is 5 ampere. Construction formula. We will need for our construction formula constant of our core. We will use which core we will use? Iron, tungsten, so and so. In Pakistan we normally use constant of core 9. Area of bobbin, length into width. Which bobbin we are using? 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 2 into 2. Which will use? We take it according its length and its width. Turns per volt is equal to constant of core over area of bobbin. Bobbin area is equal to length into width. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 inches. Constant of core is equal to 9. We will use iron. Constant of core of iron is equal to 9. Turn per volt is equal to 9 by 6 is equal to 1.5 turn per volt. For 220 volt, 220 into 1.5 is equal to 330 turns. 330 turns we will wound and we will get 220 volts. And next, for 12 volts, how many turns? Is equal to 12 into 1.5, 18 turns. For 12 volts, we will wound 18 turns of our 18 turns wound on our bobbin. Conclusion. In conclusion, we would recap what we studied previously. First, we study why we use transformer, why we use it for voltage increase or decrease. Secondly, we study about the major parts of transformer, core, bobbin and copper. Then principle of a transformer, which it works on the principle of a mutual induction. Then types of a transformer, which are step up and step down. Allah Hafiz.